So as you can see, it is a rainy day. The forecast said it's gonna be a rainy day for 9 days. 9 days. The river is super muddy, but it's looking pretty out there. What are you watching? Say Toy Story. Yeah, that's good. He speaks Chinese. How are you feeling now? I'm sorry you're sick. It's one of
It's rain. How does your face be?
Hurry, come here. Let's scare Dad. Say Dad. Dad?
Dad?
Shh. Shh. Dad's coming. Dad's coming. Bye. Shh. Hey. Shh. Let's go scare him. Are you ready? Okay. Shh. Shh. Do your scary fingers. You got him! Oh no! Oh no, bud! Oh, Dad got you! Oh no! He got us. He got us.
Well, I clearly got them, and I got the best of both of them because I'm so strong and so tough.
Come on! Oh, come on!
Whoa!
Get her, bub! Get her! Mama, no.
Bye, babe. Love you. You're cute. You're smart. You're important. I'm coming for the boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Where's Dee Dee? Let's go find Dee Dee. Say, where are you? Oh, we found her. Right where we left her. You got your friends? Who are your friends here? Oh, they're your babies? What are their names? I thought her name was Tiana. Tiana and Minnie and who's this one? Ariel?
Yeah.
Those are good names. Wes? Wes? Hey. Hey.
Huh?
What's on your head?
Huh?
A what?
Yeah.
A necklace?
Huh?
Nap time, babies. Who's ready for their nap?
Yeah.
Yep, you got your beacon and your blanket.
Okay.
Is Dee Dee gonna sleep in your room?
Huh?
Is Dee Dee gonna sleep in your room?
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys ready? Okay, let's go. You're cute. Let's go night-night. I just put the other babies to sleep, and now Etta is asleep, so I don't want to move her, but I usually hang out in my room. Hey, sister, do you want to come snuggle Mom? It's Friday. You have to work.
Yeah, but...
You don't want to hang out with me?
Yeah, but... I do. But...
He wasn't able to finish his video yesterday, so he's having a late night in the shop. So we're getting some takeout.
Buddy Wes, is that you? Did you wake up from your nap? Hello, bud.
Where's Wes?
Good morning.
Where is he? There's the boy. There's the boy.
Hey, it's our boy. We
Hi.
gotta shake him up to wake him. Shake to wake. That's what we do. Shake, and then we wake. We shake,
Oh my gosh.
and then we wake.
Say,
We
Dad.
shake. Oh
Oh my
And
gosh.
then we wake.
What?
Love
Did-
this.
You want that
Two
too?
blankies now.
Then we have Etta girl down here kicking away. You kick and kick. She's been swaddled like all day. See you in a minute. Love you.
So are we getting zings or chains or zings? Which one?
That's
Because
funny.
you said all three.
Well, Siri said the first one, autocorrect said the second, and I said the third.
Well, see you later. Here we go.
Love you, be safe.
Love you. Bye now. All right, okay. Okay, now. Did you just throw a diaper at me? Okay, I got the goods. But also, it's raining, so probably gonna put the camera away. Check you later.
We're just ending the night with some Chinese chicken. Wes, is that your favorite food? You love Chinese chicken. What about you?
Mama.
You like it? You want to dip it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good dancing. Wow. A mid-dinner dance? That's good, guys. Wes, how many helpings of chicken have you had? Say 3? 3? You want some too? Okay, this little lady's going out to the shop with me. We're gonna go check on Park and grab those coloring pages.
Scared me.
Sorry. Hi.
Just be busting down doors.
I did kick it real hard. Guess what I have? Wes, come look. Printed you a Buzz one. You can color this Buzz and this Buzz. Indy, I printed some Tangled ones.
Wow.